Well, welcome to another Dino Days video, and today we are putting this Carly app on this FK2. Okay, so the point today is to see what features we can use on this Carly app device, OBD2 device, on this beautiful FK2 Civic Type R. Now, this is a 2015, and apparently this has got some nice tricks. So we're going to plug in and we're going to get some screenshots and see what we can do. So what's in the box? Well, it's an OBD2 device. So let's get it out of it. It's packaged very nicely, isn't it? Let's get it out of there. And here she is. It's a nice bit of kit. Feels very nice. It's pretty light. I suppose all the software's on your phone. So, yeah, it's a Bluetooth device. Let's plug her in. Just before we do that, look how gorgeous these seats are. This is an absolutely beautiful car. Dino Days has worked on this before, and we have had the pleasure of driving it. It does drive very, very well. We did some preventative maintenance to this car because the FK2s, they suffer with coolant issues and things like that. Temperatures mainly. Now on this Carly device, we should be able to see temperatures and gauges and things like that. But also, there's a feature in the Carly app that can read OBD2 codes and sort of give advice, I believe. So it's almost like a My Mechanic. My customer, he lives many, many miles away from here, so he's not on our doorstep, which means if he does have a problem, he should be able to plug this device in and it should point him in the right direction. Let's find out. Okay, so let's do this in real time. We're gonna diagnose some fault codes. Let's see what comes up. Now this is going through all of the modules. I would imagine it started with the ECU itself, the main brain of the car. So it's going to go through all of the modules and pull out as much information or fault codes, if you will, as it goes. So let's see what it does. Again, this is in real time, so if you were doing this on your own FK2 or Honda Civic 2015 plus, this is how long it would take. So let's see where we get to. It's pulled off 2 codes already, so I guess we'll wait till it's completed and we'll find out what else it has found. Okay, so it's found some fault codes and now it's analysing that data. So it looks like it's using its very clever system to try and figure out exactly what's gone wrong or what is wrong. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so that analysis is complete. It's come up with a couple of codes. So what it's going to do now is it's going to tell us those codes. There we go. A couple of codes, generic codes, minor issues. So those codes, I've got no idea what those codes are at the moment. So it's using Google AI, very clever, to determine what those codes are, what they mean, and perhaps what we can do about those codes. So a couple of minor codes. Again, this is in real time. So as fast as this is doing it, it's as fast as you will be able to do it. Again, another code. So some more information there. Great stuff. This is the kind of information that we would be passing to a mechanic. Okay, so those codes are being cleared now using the device, and Carly recommends that for the best results, we clear the codes and we wait 2 or 3 days to see if those codes return, as they could be ghost codes or old codes. Okay, so with those codes cleared, we're going to look and see what else Carly can do. This is live data. So as you guys know, if you've got an FK2, some important data is temperatures, but it can read all of this stuff here: air intake temperatures, coolant temperatures, long-term fuel trims, etc., giving you some sort of idea of what's going on behind the scenes whilst you're driving your car. So you could have this as you go and you can log data by the looks of it. Again, like I said, this was all done in real time, so 5 minutes at the end of your day, plug into your car. I really like this tool, and I think you guys are going to like it as well. So there we have it, a pretty cool little device, especially if you've got a 2015 onwards Honda Civic. Read those OBD2 codes and then speak to your mechanic. As you've seen, it's got a lot of information here that can be used so that you can pick up the phone and talk to your mechanic after getting some data, because that's the most important thing, information, and that's what this can give you. So there we have it, a very useful tool. I hope you like it. There's going to be links to these below. Yeah, go and get one. I'm going to get one.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dyno Days Performance Parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dyno Days, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to DynoDaysPerformanceParts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.